Hello my friends, it is Jennifer of Jenza's Garden. Welcome to my garden. So I'm doing something kind of new. So last summer I did the Rhode Island Herb Fest and I dowsed for some people to find out what they needed as a flower essence to work with them. And that worked very well, enough that I got my confidence, and then I did it again when I was doing in April the Psychic Witch Fair at Touch of Magic, and then I did it in May at Beltane, and then I went to Touch of Magic again for their summer event, and people who I dowsed for came back. So I really accepted, okay, this is something, I have a gift or a knack for this, and I need to accept that and bring it out, because I was touched so much from the help I was able to give people with that I knew I had to continue to do it. And sometimes that's hard, right? It's like, admit that we are good at something. Isn't that weird? That's hard. It is. So now I'm going to be doing once a month events at the Enchanted Gift Loft in Oxford, Mass. That's coming up. That'll be like one Thursday a month. And then also at, I always say this wrong. I look at it and I can't say it. I'm not looking. There's nothing's in front of me, so that's kind of funny. Arbavita? Arbavita. Johanna, if I said that wrong, I'm sorry. You know me. So Arbavita. It is Johanna. She is a clinical herbalist, and she is located on the second floor of Touch of Magic is her office, and we'll be doing that one Wednesday a month. So do check out my event page at Jenza's Garden. When I'm doing them, they're going to be up on the event page, and of course if you're following me, I will also mention it. But keep in mind, they will be on first come, first serve basis. So when you come, you have to kind of sign up when you get there. Okay. Event page. The pricing will be there too with it. But you might be like, well, what are you exactly doing, Jen? So that's what this video is about. What will I be doing? What you'll be receiving? So I'm going to actually do this for myself. I know a lot of times you're taught, like, don't read for yourself, don't pull cards for yourself, but every once in a while it's okay. I always like to clear the energy, so this is one of my favorite singing bowls. I have many. It's about an addiction. So I clear the energy, because usually we're going to be at an event, there's going to be other people around, and I want to clear your energy and my energy away from all those other people, so it's just me and you connecting in that moment. So we do the singing bowl, and then I take out this lovely board. And you have looked at my pricing by now, and you would have said, I'm looking for one flower essence, I'm looking for 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flower essences are you looking to purchase? And I'm going to douse for you on that. So my first question, so me as the customer, I just want one today. So just one, I'm trying it out, and that is completely fine. So I'm going to ask, is the flower essence that's right for Jennifer on this side of the, okay, so already it's telling me it's on this side of the board, great. We'll flip anyways. So this is, I love this side too. So this is where I did all the astrological blends. That's a different story. Is the right one? Okay, no, it's not on this side. So that was my no. Thank you. And this is my yes. Okay, could you point me in the right direction? I try not to look at it. I just kind of like, let it point where it needs to go. Then I look. Okay. Is it? No, it's not one of these three. Okay, it's one of these three. Is it? No. Oh, okay. Nope. All right, so I just always double check just to make sure. All right, so at this time, I need mallow. Okay, all right. Which is to find warmth and friendship. And sometimes people right away, they kind of like, I get it, and then they spill everything and they let me know what's going on, and that's completely fine. I kind of been a bartender that way. But if we're still at they kind of think, but they're not, we pull cards. We're probably going to pull cards anyways. So what is this going to help Jen with? This mallow, this finding warmth and friendship. And this does not mean I'm mean to friends. It can mean lots of things. Not giving away anyone's business, but in the past, and a couple people, so, you know, have gotten this one when it came to jobs, switching jobs. And it's either having the connection with the new person, or like the new people, or keeping that connection with the old people. So that's come up a couple times when mallow has come up. So for me, attraction, parsley. So if you're still like a little, you know, you're not quite getting why attraction. Am I not attracting new friends? It's hard to have friends. You have to call them. They have to call you. You have to make plans. Am I in a point where I need to maybe attract new friends? Not to get rid of my old friends, but is there a new friendship that maybe I need to work at attracting and doing? Maybe that's it. Awakening. Golden seal. Golden seal is like root medicine. Golden seal, like, almost is, So, I'm still not, wait there. Anyone has any, information when I'm doing these cards. So far we got attraction, which was parsley. Parsley is that like bitter, almost like, all right. Okay, so my first thought that was just coming to that one was sometimes you're using parsley between meals, not between meals, but like it's that on your plate to be that cleanser. But it's also about attraction here. I'm gonna work on that. And then we got awakening, and that was golden seal, root medicine. And now, this happens a lot. All right, so I have this whole deck of cards, right? And I'm not looking because I was paying attention to you. Marshmallow. Compassion. Is this compassion for myself or compassion for someone else? I beat myself up about friendships. Like, oh, you're not good at it. Or like maintaining and keeping sometimes. Like, all right, I'm just like spilling my guts. This is what happens during the reading, and that's okay. So I'm gonna do one more card. Usually 4 is the most. Radiate. More root medicine. So this is turmeric. So parsley, a lot of times, parsley root can be used, right, for things. Marshmallow, most of the time we are using it, the root of it, and then golden seal is the root, and then we have the turmeric, which we're using the root. So that, to me, is symbolic, and I need to work on that and to see what that's going to be on it. But then that's what you expect. That's what you are, okay. See, some flowers have flopped. I had those behind my, it's okay. So there you go. So that is the reading. And then you get your flower essence, and we'll talk about that, but we'll do that part when you're with me one-on-one. We'll talk about how to use the flower essence, because I'll go more into that after the reading and as part of it. Also too, like, I just don't like leave you with the cards like, okay. I usually will have, and I will have a journal labyrinth. So I'll have a labyrinth on a piece of paper, and then what I'm going to send you home with a little bit of instructions with that, so then you can do some journaling after. At the events, I actually had a labyrinth you could go walk, and amazingly enough, a lot of people came back to me after walking the labyrinth, and they kind of more insight to the cards. So it's really you're delving, I'm delving. It's a lot of inner work, and that's what flower essences I find about. It's helping you with like some inner work, some emotional healing, energetic healing, or just energetic and emotional work. It doesn't have to be necessarily healing or fixing stuff, but it also could be enhancing or bringing knowledge up. Well, that was a longer video than I thought. So 10 minutes. Okay, I think it's fine. So my friends, I hope to see you at one of these events. If they do get to the point where simply signing up, like it's going to be an hour and a half event, maybe 2 hours tops, where the sign up sheet is just 2, it's always filled, and you got there, then at that point we will do pre-sign-ups or something like that. All right, I'm going to move from the stem. It's all so flight blessings. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.